Okay, you guys, I want to make this transparent background blue, and there's a particular blue color I want. And the blue color, I'll show you where it is. But first, let's do this. Let's create one layer, two layers. All right, first we'll come over here to this layer. Um, and pull this over. All right, I'm going to place it. Now this is the blue. I have these two pictures on a web page, these two maps, right? It's this one and this one. And well, you can't see it now. Anyways, so I want to grab this blue color here and I want to use it in that first graphic. I want to put it on my background. So how do I do it? Come up here, select, color range. Okay, see this eyedropper right here? You should see that. Okay, look, make sure all the settings are the same. Now you see my cursor? Boom. I just clicked on that area, this blue. And over here, that turned light blue and that turned light blue. So I've got the color, right? Okay, so I press OK. Then I'm going to come over to this layer here. To be clear, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to turn this off. Come over to this layer. You see it's selected. You see that thing around the edges there? Okay, I'm going to come over. On a Macintosh, I'm going to click Control+D. And on Windows, I'm not sure what that is. It's deselect. Maybe it's function D or well, later maybe I'll look in the description down below and I'll try to put that key combination there. Anyways, so here we are. You come over, click here, go to the paint bucket tool, get to where you want to be, and you can see on that light blue there, bam, clicked it. All right. Now we come over here to, we want it to deactivate that. Come over here, slide this above it, and then we turn it on. Okay, we click that I button and it'll show. And remember, we can drag a layer in front of the other to make it go there. All right, so that's it.